Welcome back to our channel, tech enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting new leak about the highly anticipated Google Pixel 8 series. This leak reveals not only the alleged pricing of the Pixel 8 in the US, but also some key specifications that will surely get you excited. So let's dive right into it. The Google Pixel 8 series is expected to launch later this year, and it seems like the tech giant has some surprises in store for us. The leaks surrounding the upcoming Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro have been pouring in, giving us a glimpse of what to expect from these smartphones. The leaked information suggests that the Pixel 8 will come with a higher price tag compared to its predecessor, the Pixel 7. According to tipster Yogesh Brar, the Pixel 8 will be priced at either $650 or $699 in the US market. That's a slight increase from the Pixel 7's starting price of $600. It's interesting to see Google aiming for a higher price range this time. But wait, there's more. Alongside the pricing details, the leak also reveals some intriguing specifications of the Pixel 8. The upcoming smartphone is rumored to feature 8GB of RAM and come in two storage variants, 128GB and 256GB. This means users will have ample storage space to store their photos, videos, and apps. The leak further highlights an upgrade over the Pixel 7, as the Pixel 8 is said to come with an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and the powerful Google Tensor G3 processor. These enhancements promise a seamless and secure user experience, allowing you to unlock your device with ease and enjoy snappy performance. In terms of the display, the Pixel 8 is rumored to feature a stunning 6.17-inch Full HD Plus OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means you'll enjoy smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing, the Pixel 8's display is bound to impress. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Pixel series has always been known for its exceptional camera performance, and the Pixel 8 is no exception. It's rumored to sport a 50-megapixel GN2 primary camera sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS), ensuring sharp and clear photos even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, it will come with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens for capturing stunning landscapes and a fantastic 11-megapixel selfie camera. Well, folks, that's all we have for today's exciting Google Pixel 8 leak. It seems like Google is ready to raise the bar with its upcoming flagship smartphone. We can't wait for the official launch in early October to see how these leaks hold up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech news and leaks. Until next time, stay tuned and stay curious.